Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing good. So in today's video we are going to talk about how to promote affiliate products while using WordPress. So in this video I will be showing you guys how you can do that. So first of all, affiliate marketing is very in these days. As you guys know, everyone orders their accessories or their home essentials or whatever they need online most of the time. So as you can see, this is Amazon website. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is that you can earn commission by providing your services from your website, from your own website or blog. So what you do, you basically go to the project page. You made a product on wordpress.com and you can write about it, the description about that, you can write inventory about that, you can write shipping, all the details, and you can also put your product on sale. So basically it's not your product or you don't have that product, but you can earn money by promoting that product. So what basically we do, you have to do, you will go to Amazon website and you will get a link from their website and paste it on your product. When someone try to buy it from your blog or your website, so it will come up to the Amazon page, but they will give you a commission because that guy or that individual is coming from your promotion, your promoting page or blog. So without any further ado, let's start the video and see how it goes. So first of all, you have to decide that what you want to promote. So I think I will promote watch. So let's say about the watch, we will write a product name here. Let me just get rid of this. So first of all, you will go to your dashboard. So yeah, we should leave this page for a while so you can know how it goes. So that's a WordPress dashboard. It looks like this, and then you will go on the left and then you will click on products and you can add a new product. So here you have to add the product name. So I will be adding here watch, and then you have to write a description about the watch. So for this video, I know it's not good, it's not perfect, but I'm doing this only to show you guys how it goes. So yeah, we will just making an example. So let me just copy paste it from here. So it is the basic description about the watch, and but you have to place a price on it. So what's its price? They are giving a lot of discounts, guys. So its actual price is $595, and so yeah, we will paste it here. So the price is in USD, but I have to write here in examples. So yeah, just we just have to make an example. So let me just write there 10,000 rupees, and it's on sale 89% off. So we will write 900 rupees. Then you will have to inventory or manage your stocks. So we will write 10, and you can imagine stored memory. Stock quantity, we will write here, what do you say, 15. No, we don't allow back orders, so we just go with this. And the weight, we will write it 500 grams. So dimensions, we will 3. Yeah, it's just an example. Wide 7 and height 2. No shipping clocks. So what you have to do here, you have to add photos. So you can search here watch. Okay, so there is not any photo here in the media gallery. So what we have to do, we have to upload a file. So let me just take a screenshot of it, and let me just take this one. I think, oh yeah, that's one good. This one is really good. So let me just crop it. So yeah, that's done. So yeah, that's uploading. So we will can write, so yeah, we can write a title about it. So we will write Rolex. Is it Rolex? Okay, so this will just take a little while, so I think we should wait for it. Then we can add anything we want here. Disable primary header, we can disable mobile header, we can disable title or anything you want. So this is going to be a product image. It's on loading up right now. So yeah, that's pretty much of it. So we have to change this from product data to external affiliate product. There is simple product, group product, external affiliate product, and variable product. So yeah, we will be going with affiliate product. We can add here product URL. So what we will do, we will add a URL from here. So we will add it here. Button text, about the product. So we will write here shop now button. And yeah, so that's pretty much of it. We can write anything about it we want. So yeah, we can write a product name, we can write product description, all the details about it, and we can write the inventory, we can write the link products, how we will link the product to your website, and attributes as well. This one is the basic example for you guys. So yeah, let's just go to publish button and we will publish it here. So let me just click on view product, and this is the description about the product, and so we can write it here as well. So that will be a product description which will be shown up on the page. So we will just copy paste it from here to there. So that's good. And we can also add photos from here, but as you can see, we are uploading a product which is a watch, so there is no image for the watch. For this we have to add a watch here. I don't know why it's not uploading, I don't know why it's taking too long to upload a picture. So maybe I make any mistake back in there. For this we will use this one because it's a guy with a watch on his hand. So yes, we will go with this one. So let's preview changes. So here you can see, so it's a page for product promotion. So you can see that they uncategorized, written about the description about the product and the quantity, and you can see add to cart and all the basic things about it. They are showing description here as well, and the additional information what we write in there. I have to write it 500 gram, but it's 500 kgs, so my bad, ignore this. So yeah, like this you can promote your product using WordPress and Amazon. You can see it's a huge market, and you can take anything you want. You can even promote virtual products as well, and you can choose accessories or deal of the day and anything you want to promote. So yeah, electronics as well and all the things, and you can promote it by using your WordPress by using this way. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you guys found this video helpful, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So I will catch you guys in the next video.